In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up n8n. Backing up your work in n8n can be quick and reliable, and today we'll use the built-in duplicate feature to create a snapshot of any workflow you want to protect. This is a great way to save a safe copy before making changes, or to keep a version you can roll back to later. First, open n8n in your browser and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Personal. Click that to reveal your personal workspace options. From there, choose Workflows. This takes you to a list of all the workflows in your account, so you can pick exactly what you want to back up. Find the workflow you want to protect. Hover over it or select it to reveal the options menu, usually shown as 3 dots to the right of the workflow name. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. In this menu, choose Duplicate. n8n will instantly create a copy of your workflow, leaving the original unchanged. You'll see the new duplicate appear in your list, typically with a name that indicates it's a copy. That duplicate is your backup. It contains the full structure of your workflow, the nodes, connections, and configuration. So if you ever need to revert, you can work from this saved version without touching the original. As a best practice, consider renaming the duplicate to something clear, like adding today's date or the word backup, so you can identify it at a glance. You can also keep your backups organized by placing them in a dedicated folder, which makes it easier to find them later. If you manage several important workflows, repeat the same process for each one. Open your personal area, go to Workflows, select the workflow, open the 3-dot menu, and click Duplicate. Building a habit around this, such as creating a fresh duplicate before major edits or on a regular schedule, helps ensure you always have a clean restore point. Keep in mind that this approach backs up the workflow definition itself. It doesn't change your credentials or environment variables, and it won't capture run history or execution data. That's normal for a configuration backup and is exactly what you need when your goal is to preserve how the workflow is built. And that's it. By using duplicate from the 3-dot menu, you've created a dependable backup in just a few clicks with no downtime and no risk to your original workflow.